Hi friend, today I will discuss how to create Thiessen Polygon Pci geometric software. At first, open the any image. Open the image and launcher it to layer band combination 5, 4, 3 linear and create the point shape file. Right click on new area and new vector layer and point. Okay. Point. Create the shape file. Point. Create a shape file and save the shape file. Save as an output file name. Save and go to tools and algorithm librarian and utilities and vector utilities and go to the Thiessen Polygon. Create and Thiessen Polygon. Input the shape file. This is there. Here and new layer and new point layer and new point layer. Click and output ports and ports. Uncheck of the view and click the icon and right click the browse and output file name Thiessen Polygon and run. Complete this process and open the Thiessen Polygon 1. This is the Thiessen Polygon create and this is the Thiessen Polygon. This is the for particular portion. Let's change the color. This is the Thiessen Polygon complete.